SORKAR PDENG lengba ki menteri jong kitanat baper KULAR HAKHMAT menteri rengba kejala konrat ki sangma bat usumbut menteri rengba ba perston tensong ba kanya peteng ban THEH iki KAM PYNROI bat kersha ni jingdon kam ki ba MEGHALAYA ka don kam nang ni HAKHMAT hakani kasi menteri rengba bat usumbut menteri rengba kilai kendo ya ka menteri ketanat patingka jongkari ka Nirmala Sitaraman bat pensngau halo ka jingdon kam bandon kibang hakinong gendong bat ka weipat ban kerpat ban kentiu ya ka bah khajna na banta ka jela kitai kinong ilam ka jela kilai kendo yau menteri keterat fisheries bat animal husbandry bat dairying ujiri raj sing habaidai ban kentiu yak kamri jingri bat ridokha hakari kakenhun kalai kenduru yau menteri keterat minority affair Moktar Abbas nagviji hakaba kila penpau ya ka jingsongu namar ka jingbai tingka bante ya ka PE sangma studium hatura lai krenru halo ka jingdon kam bandonno ka training center na ka banta ki paramedical staff kakenhun kalai kenduru yau menteri khana ka finance Anurak Thakur bat ru bat menteri khana ka heavy industries and public enterprise Arjun M. Megawal.
Yes, along with the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, I had gone and met a number of cabinet ministers and Government of India today. Primarily, we had a meeting with our Honorable Minister of Finance, Government of India, Mrs. Nirmala Sitaramanji, and I discussed about the different financial situations that is there in the state, the fact that due to COVID and the impact on the economy, our taxes have been affected a lot. Our taxes from the central government have also been affected, and hence I requested her to look into the possibility of increasing or at least giving us the amount which is projected in the budget in terms of the taxes. So those matters were discussed, and Madam has assured that she will definitely examine the matter and look into it. At the same time, I had a discussion also about the banking infrastructure and the fact that we need to increase the number of banks. Madam has also agreed to definitely look into this in a very positive manner. Apart from that, I had a meeting with the Minority Affairs Minister, Mr. Naqvi, and we discussed in detail regarding the PA Sangma Stadium in Tura, and I thanked him and the ministry for sanctioning that project, and I also informed him that the tendering process has already started and we should be able to allot the work in the next month and a half. Apart from that, we had also requested and discussed about the possibility of having a project for an auditorium in Garo Hills in Tura, and he has given us a very positive reply to that too. At the same time, we discussed about the possibility of putting a training center for paramedical staff, and I think in this situation in COVID, this is something that's really required, and this would be a hub and it would be a skill institute which would cater to the entire Northeast. And the Honorable Minister was very happy to see this proposal from our side, and he has assured that he will definitely look into it.